Hi there and welcome to the Online Community Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to help you develop and launch a successful online community. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, preparing your company. And here, the first step is to view a workshop on online communities, and then you're going to learn about gamification for communities. I'm going to follow that by looking at a gamification infographic, conducting a readiness assessment, developing an online community strategy, and building the business case. In stage 2, it's about the online community plan. And here, we start by building that project plan, and then performing a risk assessment, and then ultimately, in step 3, generating a project budget. In stage 3, we're going to move into selecting technology. And here, we're going to start by defining technology requirements and then creating a short list of potential vendors. We move into submitting an RFP to shortlisted vendors, consider the build option, and ultimately conduct evaluations and make a decision. In stage 4, we're going to implement the community. And here, the first step is to hire an online community consultant and then define the community manager job. We're going to move into developing community policy and guidelines, drafting community governance documents, and ultimately creating a community content calendar. In stage 5, you're going to launch your community. And here, in the first step, you're going to learn about driving community adoption and then ultimately build a community launch checklist. In stage 6, we're going to measure results. And here, step 1 is about building a community metrics dashboard and then performing an ROI calculation. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Online Community Plan Framework. Succeed with your online community by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.